Good morning, class. Now we will proceed to our topic for today, and that is traditional or manual drafting and the instrument used to it. So before we proceed for the discussion, I will now read the objectives of this lesson. At the end of the lesson, learners are expected to explain traditional drafting, identify different instruments in traditional drafting, and appreciate the importance of their uses. So now we will proceed to our discussion. What is traditional or manual drafting? Manual drafting is the process of creating drawings by hand. It requires flat drafting tables or drawing board, typically with a parallel motion that allows consistent drawing of parallel lines. Drawing boards can often be adjusted in height and angle to suit the user, typically with the light from north falling on the paper from top or behind. The board is angled for drawing and flat for tracing. The angle aids to keep your set square against the sliding ruler if you needed to draw 90-degree lines and helping with good posture. Is that clear? Do you have any questions? Let's proceed to the different instruments. In manual drafting, we have a specialized pencils with varying lead hardness. 2H and 4H are for first drawing and constructing lines. All lines overlap 2 millimeters to give a sharp corner. So here are some examples of the drawing pencils in drafting. So technical drawing pens are varying size. See technical drawing pencil size more information. Drawing pens is used to override the pencil lines and give permanent lines. A student can make to do is 0.3 or 0.7, holding different angles to give lighter or thicker lines. So the next tool is the scale rules. It is a tool for measuring lengths and transferring measurements to a fixed ratio of lengths. This is the example of a scale ruler. And the next one is the T-square, which is very important, or it is called a sliding ruler for boards that hand this fitted. Steel rulers are not damaged by being used repeatedly to draw lines. This is how you use T-squares and how it looks. The next one is the triangles. It is the drafting tool used to draw accurate parallel lines, vertical lines, and other angled lines. By combining the two, you can draw lines at 30-degree, 45-degree, 60-degree, and 90-degree angles. You may also use triangle as tandem with a T-square. The next one is compass or compasses, a technical drawing instrument that can be used for inscribing circles or arcs. Here you can see an example. And then protractors is a measuring instrument typically made of transparent plastic or glass for measuring angles. These are the examples. Divider, instrument for measuring or transferring or making of distance, consisting of two straight adjustable legs hinged together ending in sharp points. You can also use the compass as divider. Drafting tape. The next one is the pencil sharpeners. It is a tool for sharpening a pencil's writing point by shaving away its worn surface. It is important to always sharpen your pencils. Many use craft knives or scalpels to sharpen, but it is safer to use sharpeners. So the next one is the eraser. We all know what is the purpose of eraser, and the next one is eraser shield. It is a thin sheet of stainless steel or plastic with slats and holes of different shapes. They are designed to allow erasers to be used through them to erase lines and text without removing lines closed by which do not needed to be or should not be erased. In drafting tool, we also have templates or stencils allowing easy drawing of certain objects, symbols, common shapes, text, and so on. And these are the examples of a template. And now we have a correction fluid which does not show in the reproductions. Tapes or correction pens work well too, but it is favorable for us to be more patient in our drawing. Drawing board attachment can be fixed to the parallel motion ruler to create a specific angles, procedures, lines, or changes scales. So that are the basic tools or instruments needed in manual drafting or traditional drafting. Does anyone have a question? Okay, thank you. That's all for today. I hope you learned a lot and enjoyed this topic. Thank you.